everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to set up our Blackboard class from the beginning. Now I have my Marketing 48 Fall 2020 course here, and this is a basic course that is available to us. I have not set up anything yet on this course, so we're going to start it right away from the scratch. But before we set up the Blackboard classes, I would like all of you to have a few things that are a must according to best practices. Here are some of the list. I would always advise people to have the tabs on the menu. What is the tabs? If you click on this, see, these are the tabs. By default, Blackboard gives you some tabs which you may use, which you can, and which if you don't want, you can create your own tabs. One thing that you need to understand, you could create your own custom tabs here in the menu. By the way, the green shaded part here is where you could create your own items. These course management menu is not customizable or changeable by the user. So this one you can just use it because this is all the basic Blackboard course management menu from Blackboard. You may not be able to change or add any tabs here, whereas all the tabs, your custom class, topics, everything can be added in this green colored part. By the way, you can also change this color if you want. Okay, so let's start with the things that you need to have before you set up. I would suggest that faculties have a course banner that is like an image or with your name on it. Sometimes people have the course outline picture on it. For example, I could show you one of my Marketing 48 earlier classes. This is called a banner. You could have a banner like this if you want, but that's just to give a good welcome, a graphical welcome for the students. Okay, so that's a course banner. Then most important thing, make sure you have your faculty contact information, email, phone number if you want to. If you do not want to give out your personal home phone number or mobile number, you can create a Google Voice free phone number, which you can download the Google Voice app onto your mobile phone, and it automatically allots a phone number, and you could give that number to the students. And when the student calls that number, it rings on your mobile phone. Okay, so by that way, you don't have to give out your home phone number or your personal mobile number. So make sure you have your contact information and what is your faculty hours, meaning which time of the day, or BCC requires you to have 2 hours of faculty office hours. So you'd have to decide on which hour of the day that you're going to be available. So that has to be mentioned on the Blackboard class. The next one is the academic calendar with all the holidays and the college closings that the college has gives it to you. It's normally available on the college website. You could pick it up, or it should be available for you. The next one is the announcements. I normally start with a welcome announcement. If you see, this is my previous course. I always start with the welcome announcement. I'm going to be teaching you how to create that one just now. And then the course syllabus. You need to have your course outline or the course syllabus, whatever you call that as, the updated one in a Microsoft Word document format or in a PDF format for the students to download. Okay. The next one is, if you have to create online Collaborate classes, if you're having synchronous classes. If you're going to have live classes on Collaborate, you need to create the one-click Collaborate link on the tab here. Okay, the green tab here. We're going to create all that now. The next one is My Grades. This is an important link because students always want to know their grades in their assignments, in their exams, in their projects, and so on. So you should have a one-click tab directly available for the students. The next one is the Netiquette rules for online engagement. There is a Word document available for the Netiquette 15 rules. It's also available in a graphic format, this image in an image format, or it is also available in a Word document. This talks about the rules that the students follow in engaging in an online class, like do not use all caps, or do not use curse words. Always be very cordial in your thing. Do not talk about personal things or calling out names and things like that. So these are the normally used 15 rules of netiquette in online discussions and online engagement. So this has to be available for the students in the tab here. And next is the CUNY flexible grading policy. CUNY had given us a flexible grading policy for this during the time of pandemic COVID-19. That's available on the college website, or it was sent out to all of us by email. That has to be mentioned there so the students know the dates on which they can drop classes, the dates on which they can apply for a no credit and things like that. And lastly, students IT help info. Normally there is a help button here, the student support button, but you could also create another tab, or you could add some information here saying that you could call TSE, so the student guides. This should be always available. Do not hide this or don't make it unavailable. You could also create another item saying you could give them a direct phone number to the student help desk, or the TSC, the Student Technology Center. We could give them all the information. So the students could contact them in case of any kind of information technology help, like resetting passwords, or if they have a college laptop. College has sent out in computers and Chromebooks to them. If they have any help, faculty, we may not be able to help them directly, so they can call the student support center, the TSC. You can provide them with their email and the phone number that's available. Okay, right. Okay, now let's go start setting up the class. Number one, as of now, if you see, the course will not be available to the students. If you see, normally the class, when the Blackboard class is created, it says not currently available. This means that the students are not able to see this course, but as a faculty, I'm able to see this course. Okay, so I will tell you how to make the course available. Number one is you go down all the way to customization, and then you click on properties, and do not change anything. This is the class name and everything. Do not change anything. Only thing you have to make, when you are ready, your course is ready, set up. If you want to make the course available to the students, always click this yes and just submit. When you click submit, automatically, if you go back and see now this course will be made available to the students. Okay, so I just have to click on the refresh, and if you see now, my course will be available there. If you see fall 2020, the course will be made available to the student. Just looking for that course, 2020 fall. There, if you see fall 2020 marketing management 901D is available now. See that not currently available is gone. If you are not ready, we could go back again, click on customization, properties, and you could make it unavailable. So the course will not be available to the students. If you go back and if you refresh it again, you will see that the course will still be unavailable to the students. I do this so in case I'm not ready yet, because I haven't set up the course. So I could go down, see it says fall 2020 marketing management 901D not currently available. So by clicking on the course management, going down all the way to customization and properties, and it'll help you either make it available or make it unavailable to the students. Make sure you click the submit button. Okay, right. Sometimes I've heard faculties say, I'm not able to edit anything. I don't think I'm still an instructor in the course. No, the point may be that your edit mode may be off. Make sure always when you start editing, see now I cannot edit anything. It won't let me edit anything. See, it won't do any. So this, because make it available and make it the edit mode should be on. There should be a green light and the word on should be here. This lets you edit and create and set up your course. Okay, right. The second thing that you need to understand is you want to create a landing page. A landing page is the first page. When the student clicks on this, what does the student see as the first page? You can create the home page, which is this page, as the landing page if you want. Normally by default the students always see this, but if you'd like your students to see the announcements page as the landing page, now I'm going to make this announcements page as a landing page, and I'm also going to create a banner. So first let me create a banner in this announcements page. How do I create a banner? Again, go all the way to customization. In the course management menu, go to teaching style, the link teaching style. Now if you see, as I told you, I will be able to change this green color. Let me change this green color to, let's say, dark purple, okay, or cyan. Okay, let me make it cyan. You have to go all the way and click apply. Now if you see, my course will change from this green color to this color if you want. And if you want the text to be in a different color also, you can make it, but I'm just going to leave it as white. So I'm going to click submit. So it changes the color. Now if you see, my course color has been changed. You can customize your color any way you want. Now let me go back to customization, teaching style again. It's the same menu.